Hello and welcome to Chrome Story. Today we want to talk about Google Chrome eating up all the RAM available on your computer. It could be using more than 4 GB RAM at the moment, and that's why your fan is screaming and everything is lagging. So, in this video, I've got 4 fixes in order of what actually works. We'll start with the quick one first, and then we'll save the nuclear option for the last. Now, let's diagnose the issue first, right? Hover over each tab and Google Chrome will show you how much RAM it is using, right? So you can see that this tab that's not working at the moment, but it is actually using 45 MB of RAM. Okay. Now, what is the next one? So you keep going until you find which tab is actually using the highest amount of RAM. So now let's go with the first option in our list of troubleshooting steps. Go to settings and we are looking for performance, and then we have another option here that's called memory saver. So this actually frees up memory from inactive tabs. So if you have a bunch of tabs open and you're not using it at the moment, or you have not used it for a while, this feature will put those tabs into sleep, let's say, right? So you have 3 options here. You can keep it moderate, or balanced, or go maximum and keep making tabs inactive within a shorter period of time when you stop interacting with them. So that's the very first option. See if this resolves the issue for you. Now, what is the next option? The next option is to take a look at all your extensions. So go to Google Chrome extensions. From the settings page, you will see the extensions link all the way at the bottom. When you're on the extensions page, disable all of them. So you'll see this option here. Use that to disable all of your extensions, and then start using Chrome and see if it improved. If you see any improvement, start enabling these extensions one by one, and between each extension, try and use Chrome and see if things are okay. You will eventually find the culprit, which extension is giving you trouble, and then you can handle that guy later. Okay, so that's the second option. Now, third fix I have for you is more like an advice or suggestion. Don't hoard tabs, right? Like, close tabs after you're done, maybe bookmark them so that you can come back and use that later. If there are articles that you want to get back to, save in an app similar to Instapaper. That's what I use personally. Or you can use tab groups and save them there. So that will also that should also reduce memory usage on Google Chrome for you. Now, let's go to the last resort. Right? Let's say none of these options worked. You can save your settings. Just keep a note of all the settings that you have if you want to come back to them, and go to reset settings and then reset all the settings in Chrome. So it kind of resets the entire system for you, including your startup page, new tabs, search, pin tabs. It disables extensions, deletes all the cookies and temporary site data, and give you a fresh start. And that should give you a huge improvement in the speed and performance of Google Chrome. So to recap, we start with we start with the diagnose. Keep looking at each tab and see which one is using the most amount of RAM. You enable memory saver feature to make Chrome automatically disable tabs that are not actively being used. You look at extensions and you reduce your number of open tabs using bookmarks, saving for later, tab groups, and so on. And eventually, if none of that works for you, use the reset option. So I hope this video helped you, figure out what happened. Feel free to drop me a comment and let me know which was which was culprit in your case, and I would love to hear about your story. So yeah, thank you for watching.